It has micro USB for charging here. I can live with it, but I don't like it. So if we're gonna be petty, I don't like it.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Max back here with a brand new video, and I'm gonna be bringing back something I haven't done in a long time. Me being petty. So basically, you know what being petty is. I'm going to be petty here with the Blu Vivo 11. Now, this is one of my favorite phones. I love this phone. Probably my best money spent in a long time. You know, when you buy something, it's just be like, you know what? Damn, this is worth the money. First thing I want to go ahead and mention, you can already see, is that this device has micro USB for charging here. I can live with it, but I don't like it. So if we're going to be petty, I don't like that. So the Blu Vivo 11 here, another petty thing. The power button isn't rigid. Now this is really petty. The phone already has an LED flash on the front. You see the 16 megapixel camera right there. I wish it could have been brighter. What can I say? And instead of giving 3 gigs of RAM, I wish it could have been 4. We're being petty here. We're saying what we wish we could have had. We're happy with the phone that this is, but we're being petty. Understand the point of this video. I gotta keep saying this. We're being petty. Okay, I'm happy with this performance. I'm happy with this battery life. I'm happy with the phone overall. But if we're being petty, we can point out some things that we don't like, but we can live with. 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage is cool. Dang, you know, 4 and 64 would have been cool too. The processor in it, have no issues with it. Performs really well, surprisingly well. You know what? That's a whole other video. I was about to get into a rant about MediaTek processors, but that's another video. But for being petty here, I would say probably an overrated thing about it is the notch on the phone. And how is it the notch overrated? I don't know. I just wanted to call it that. On the petty note, that's how I feel. Those are some things that I am petty about. Another thing is I wish the front-facing camera could have been a little bit better. Now the front-facing camera is really good. It's just when it gets inside, when it gets around a certain amount of light, that's when it's sketchy. That's when it's really sketchy, y'all. It gets a little, you know what I mean? Like can't really do that. You can't really. Sometimes you using your front camera, you be like, ooh, man, this looks crazy. As far as being petty, y'all, those are some petty things about the Blu Vivo 11 here. Let me know what phone you are currently using and what phone is in that exact same situation right now. It does what you wanted to do. It performs well, but there are some things you be like, you know, it ain't really for me. It ain't really for me. Let me know in the comment section about that as well. But be sure to like this video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you decide to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted, you'll be notified immediately. Until then, my name is Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.